rhythm of the universe. I got mine. Where do you think that you will find your
Let's learn Yellow Lines. It's choreographed by Romain, Brasme, Marlon, Ronkes, and Gregory Danvoie. It is a 32 count 4-wall improver level line dance. It has a tag on the end of wall 2, a restart on wall 3 after 16 counts, and a restart on wall 8 after 24 counts. The restarts are what make it a 4-wall dance. You'll be dancing up through wall 3 as a front and back 2-wall dance. And then when you restart on wall 3, it will put you to a side wall 2-wall dance. The restart on wall 8 will bring you back to a front and back 2-wall dance. So you can think of it as a 2+2 wall line dance. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts. Talk about where the tag and the restarts happen. And then we're going to go around and dance 9 walls of the dance so that you can practice it all and know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Yellow Lines. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to rock our right foot to the right side, recover onto your left foot, and we're going to do a quarter sailor step over our right shoulder. You're going to make a quarter turn, stepping your right foot behind your left, step your left foot to the side, and step your right foot slightly forward. We're now going to do a half sailor step over our left shoulder. You're going to make a half turn over your left shoulder, stepping your left foot behind your right, step your right foot to the side, and step your left foot slightly forward. We're now going to do a kickball change, kicking that right foot low and forward, step your right next to your left, step your left foot next to your right. On that half sailor, you could do it as a quarter forward as well, as long as you're able to complete that half sailor step. Let's try it with some counts. Rocking to the side. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Section 2. We're going to quickly step our right foot forward into the right diagonal, and you want to hop a little bit while you do it. So you want to hop forward on that right and touch your left next to your right and hold. We're now going to do the same thing to the left. Hop forward with that left foot, touch your right next to your left, and hold. We're going to step forward with our right. You're going to do a half pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot. You're now facing 3 o'clock, and we're going to do a full turn over our left shoulder. We're going to step back with our right, making a half turn. Now you're at 9 o'clock. We're going to make another half turn over our left shoulder, stepping forward with our left to face 3 o'clock. If you're somebody that doesn't like to spin, you can change that for 2 walks forward. So let's try that with some counts. We just finished our half sailor. You're hopping forward with your right. And 1, hold 2, and 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to press forward with our right foot, recover back onto your left, and step your right foot next to your left. We're now going to press forward with our left foot, recover onto your right, and you're going to do 2 walks back, back left, back right, and you're going to do a left coaster step, left back, right together, left forward. Let's try it with some counts. Weights on your left foot, we're pressing forward. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. You're going to point your right toe to the right side and you're going to hold. You're now going to quickly step your right foot next to your left and point your left toe to the left side. We're going to quickly step our left foot next to our right and point our right toe to the right side. We're now going to do a quarter heel grind. You're going to take your right heel, put it forward, put the weight onto your right heel, and you're going to swivel your toes from left to right, making a quarter turn over your right shoulder and step back with your left foot. You're now going to step your right foot next to your left and you're going to touch your left toe forward. We're going to clap our hands twice and then you're going to quickly step your left foot next to your right to start the dance all over again. So let's try it with some counts. We just did our left coaster step. Weights on your left foot, you're pointing to the side. 1, hold, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and ready to start all over again. So now let's turn to face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps, one time through with counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're rocking your right foot to the side. Rock, recover, quarter, sailor, step, half, sailor, step, kick, ball, change, hop and touch, hold, hop and touch, hold, step, half, pivot, half, half, press forward, recover, step, press forward, recover, walk back, back in your coaster step, point, hold, switch, point and point, heel grind, quarter, ball, touch, clap, clap, step, ready to start all over again. And that's the whole dance. So let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left foot, you're rocking to the right. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, and 1, hold, 2, and 3, hold, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, hold, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and then you will dance wall 2 to the back wall. We will dance a 12 and 6 2-wall dance all the way up to wall 3. On the end of wall 2, you will be facing the front. You have your one and only tag. You would be here and you would switch your weight onto your left. All you're going to do is step your right foot to the right side as you bring your hands up in an arc to the top of your head for 4 counts. You're now going to bring your hands down the other way that we just came from for 4 counts and put your weight onto your left foot to start the dance all over again. Let's try that with some counts, stepping to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you would start wall 3. On wall 3, we're going to dance 16 counts of the dance and then restart and dance to the side walls. So our weights on our left foot, you're going to rock to the right, side rock, recover, quarter, sailor, step, half, sailor, step, kick, ball, change, hop and touch, hold, hop and touch, hold, step, half, pivot, half, half. At this point right here, you're going to restart the dance, rock, recover, quarter, sailor, step, and you'll dance a 2-wall, side wall to side wall dance until we get to the 8th wall. When you get to the 8th wall, you'll be facing the side and you will dance 24 counts. We'll be facing the 3 o'clock side wall. You would dance 24 counts, which is up until your coaster step. So let's practice that, rocking our right foot to the side, side rock, recover, quarter, sailor, step, half, sailor, step, kick, ball, change, hop and tap, hold, hop and touch, hold, step, half, pivot, half, half, press, recover, step, press, recover, walk back, back, coaster, step. Right here, you will restart the dance and dance it as a 2-wall dance facing 12 and 6 again until the end of the dance. So now let's go around. We're going to dance 9 walls of the dance so that you know how those wall changes happen. Weight's going to start on your left foot. When we go around on the front or the 12 o'clock wall and the 3 o'clock side wall, I will be doing steps. And on the back wall or the 6 o'clock wall and the 9 o'clock side wall, I will be doing counts. Weight starts on that left foot. You're starting with your rock to the right, side rock, recover quarter, sailor step, half sailor step, kick, ball, change, hop and touch, hold, hop and touch, hold, step, half pivot, half, half, press, recover, step, press, recover, walk, back, back, coaster step, point, hold, step, point, heel, grind, quarter, ball, touch, clap, clap, steps up, rock, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, and 1, hold 2, and 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, hold 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and do your tag, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 16 counts, side or rock, quarter, sailor step, half sailor step, kick, ball, change, hop and touch, hold, hop and touch, hold, step, half pivot, half, half, restart, rock, recover, quarter, sailor step, half sailor step, kick, ball, change, hop and touch, hold, hop and touch, hold, step, half pivot, half, half, press forward, recover, step, press forward, recover, walk, back, back, coaster step, point, hold, step, point, heel, grind, quarter, ball, touch, clap, clap, and now your rock, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, and 1, hold 2, and 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, hold 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and rock. Recover, quarter, sailor step, half sailor step, kick, ball, change, hop and touch, hold, hop and touch, hold, step, half pivot, half, half, press forward, recover, step, press forward, recover, walk back with your coaster step, point, hold, step, point, heel, grind, quarter, ball, touch, clap, clap, step, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, and 1, hold 2, and 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, hold 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 24 counts. Side rock, recover, quarter, sailor step, half sailor step, kick, ball, step, hop and touch, hold, hop and touch, hold, step, half pivot, half, half, press, recover, step, press, recover, walk back, back, coaster step. Now you're going to start the dance all over again. Side rock, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, and 1, hold 2, and 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, hold 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and then you would keep dancing the rest of the way through without a problem. I hope this helps you learn yellow lines. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.